This is the plaintiff, Carol Sue Cockerham. She says she bought a golf cart from the defendant, realized she wasn't allowed to have one in her housing community, and asked the defendant to resell it for her. He told her he buys and sells golf carts all the time and agreed to take it back and sell it to someone else. The guy refuses to take her calls now. It's been almost 6 months and something doesn't smell right in Denmark, that's for sure. She's suing for $1,200, the amount she's owed. This is the defendant, John Stockstill. He says he told the plaintiff he needed to get the full amount of money from the new buyer of the golf cart before he could give her the cash. He's not about to lay out money ahead of time for this woman. Here he is, storing her golf cart, which he didn't have to agree to resell in the first place. And now the woman's harassing him while he's waiting to get paid? Come on. He's accused of puttering around. The defendant has filed a countersuit for $1,123 for harassment, defamation of character, storage, and towing fees.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
And welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff bought a golf cart from the defendant and found out her community didn't allow it. The defendant says tough luck. It's the case of it's no place for putts.
Okay, thank you, Doug. Okay, Carol Sue Cockerham, you are suing John Stockstill for $1,200 that you say he owes you for reselling a cart that you had bought from him that he had agreed to resell and refuses to pay you. Tell me what's going on.
Well, on July the 1st, I had rented a place in Palm Hills.
Which is?
In Largo, Florida.
And what is it?
It was a mobile home. Yes, my sister and I had rented a mobile home park in the park, and his in-laws lived around the corner from us.
The defendant's in-laws?
John's.
Okay.
We went past there one day, and there was a little white golf cart sitting in the yard, and it had a for sale sign. Well, I'd been wanting a golf cart, so I tried it out July the 7th.
And the house is another mobile home at the same park?
The place where the cart was parked, yes, ma'am.
Right, okay. So you end up, you like it, you buy it?
Yes.
Right? And that takes place on the 7th of?
July.
Okay, but you did not take possession of it on the 7th of July, correct?
I paid him the money, but I told him, I said, I'm renting and I have no place to take it, to store it right now. Okay. And he said, that's no problem. He said, I buy and sell.
But can't you park it in front of where the mobile home you're renting?
I was getting ready to buy another one, and I just didn't want to have to transfer it from one place to the other. And
so you asked him to store it?
I asked him if he would store it for me till I found another place to buy it.
Was that a condition of the sale? In other words, did you tell him that before buying it, or is that after you bought it, you said, by the way, will you store it for me?
I just told him I didn't have a place to store it, and he volunteered to.
I know you told him you didn't have a place to store it. I'm asking you when. Before or after you end up buying it, do you tell him that? Okay. Was it part of the negotiation, sir?
No, ma'am.
When did you find out she wanted you to store it?
I all the way through this believed that she lived in Palm Hill. I didn't know she was moving. I didn't know she was renting. I couldn't understand really why, if she lived in the park, she could have drove it home.
Right.
It's a very big park. Everybody has them.
So you agree to store it for her?
Yes.
Why?
I'm a nice guy.
So where did you store it?
About 12 miles away.
How'd you get it there?
I had to put it on a flatbed trailer.
Did you pay for the flatbed trailer, or you have one?
Yes, I had to pay to have it moved back to my house.
Why didn't she pay for it?
She didn't know about that part yet.
How much did you pay for the flatbed?
It's $50 minimum.
So do you have proof of what you paid?
Yes, ma'am.
May I see it? Okay, and was she going to pay you to store it for her while she figured out why she bought a golf cart?
The idea was she was supposed to leave it there for a couple weeks.
Oh.
Then I get a phone call 6 weeks later informing me that she's bought another place.
Okay.
And that she's not allowed to even own one.
That she's not allowed to own a golf cart.
So I have the golf cart, and I am trying to resell it, which I finally did.
Okay, but this seems sort of half-baked.
Yeah.
You didn't know that they didn't allow golf carts?
Not when I bought the place. I had no place to take, no place to put it.
Okay. So maybe you shouldn't have bought a golf cart.
Well, after I bought it and couldn't find a place to put it, then I did ask him if he would resell it for me.
Okay, and what is he going to get out of taken care of you and all your problems. Was there going to be something in it for him if he resold it?
Well, I told him yes, if he had to take $100 less, it'd be fine, because I knew he was going to store it for me till I found a place.
Wait, not take $100 less. If he takes $100 less, there's still nothing in it for him. Are you saying that you told him to take $100 for his troubles?
I said, yeah. I said, if you have to sell it for $1,100, that'd be fine.
Okay, so stop. If he sells it for $1,100,
yes.
What does he get for storing it for you for 6 months and selling it for you so you don't lose your money?
Okay.
Because you realize this is your problem, right?
Yes.
You do?
Is it tough luck for this woman?
She's out of luck. I mean, you have to do your due diligence. If you've moved into a new neighborhood and you don't see any golf carts, it's pretty self-evident.
Okay, going inside the courtroom.
So what did you agree to pay him for his troubles? Anything or no? He's supposed
He
to
did
do
not say anything.
So he's supposed to do everything for you for free to get you out of the problem?
No.
Okay. Now, according to you, that's not true.
That's not true.
Had she ever told you that you could take $100 for selling it for her?
That's what she said.
She said that you could take $100 for selling it for her.
Right.
How much did you sell it for? $1,200 or $1,100?
I sold it for $1,100 just to get it. I don't have room to store it.
Okay. And you're supposed to keep $100?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, she says that she was calling you nonstop and that you were ignoring her.
Oh, yeah,
call.
very, very verbally. She called us on Thanksgiving at a Thanksgiving dinner.
She called you on Thanksgiving?
Yes. And ordered my father-in-law for me to come to the phone. I'm cooking them. They're in their 80s. I prepare their holiday meals. Okay? It upset the whole holiday meal. I mean, it was, and I told her right then, I will see you in court, because then I saw what was really actually going on.
Which was what?
I was storing her golf cart all along.
I don't think this is a big mystery, though. What was really going on is that she bought a golf cart she shouldn't have bought because she can't keep it anywhere, and it was a bad idea for her to buy it. I mean, it's not like we need Sherlock Holmes to figure this one out.
I know.
It's not like there was some big revelation on Thanksgiving. But my understanding is that she personally went to your in-laws' house as well on Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Is that correct?
She called.
She never went personally.
Not
Did you
that
go
I know of.
personally?
She must have went by to see my...
You went by? Yes, you went by personally.
I went personally.
Why are you going there on Thanksgiving days? Nothing sacred?
I went by just to see if I could catch him. He has never
catch the guy who's
on the
She's
after
been
the
harassing
20th.
Catch the
me.
guy who's been storing your
November.
ill-conceived purchase for free
After the 24th.
and selling it again for you so you don't lose your money.
Listen, after the 24th, when he agreed to store it, all he would have had to said was there was going to be storage fees. I had other people that would have taken my golf cart. They wanted to buy it.
All right, look, you owe her money. All right, you
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
just keep the money for the sale. But I think what happened is that you're angry.
Oh, I'm angry, yeah.
Because you feel that she has a lot of nerve coming to your house on Thanksgiving.
I think she pulled a pretty fast one.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's fast. I think it's slow. I don't think it's
okay.
fast. It's a really slow motion one.
Right.
But it's impolite. Somebody who went out of his way to help her for free to all of a sudden then say, treat you like she thinks you're stealing from her.
I was very upset. She made so many calls. They're all on record, and they weren't very pleasant calls. She may seem pleasant in person here in court, but believe me, she's not very pleasant on the phone.
Okay.
I quit answering the calls because of it.
Okay. Why? What was she saying on the phone?
Well, she's demanding and ordering and accusing lying and thieving.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not my fault that she had to resell the cart. I had a binding contract. She signed it, which, of course, if you look at it, you can see where she wrote in her own little information on it also.
What do you mean?
She had it 90 days. I sell these golf carts.
90-day warranty?
Yes.
She added that in?
As is. And you can see where she wrote 90 days in there. You can see the different pen and...
Yeah, let me see the different pen. Did you write in the 90 days?
No, sir, ma'am, I did not. This was exactly the way.
And when you sell golf carts, you don't give a warranty?
No.
It's as is because they're used items.
I know.
Yeah, I believe somebody wrote in 90 days because I can see right above 90 days it says this is being sold in This is being sold in an as-is condition.
Right.
Yeah, so you can't be an as-is condition in 90 days, honey. All righty. Let's see what we have here. You resold the car for $1,100, right?
Correct.
Okay, and here's the receipts you submitted to flatbed the cart for $150. So there's $150 in delivery back and forth.
Right.
There's the $100 that you were going to make for selling it.
Correct.
Right? And then the rest of this is harassment and defamation of character. What do you mean by that?
The park that this was done in, everybody in the park knows about it. They think I'm a crook.
You?
Yeah.
They think you're a crook instead of you're a nice
Well,
guy
they know
storing
the
it
story
for?
now, but that's not the point. It's
Well,
got
you know
around.
what? You make sure all those people watch.
This is a very large country club.
Right. You make sure. What's the name of the park?
Palm Hill.
You tell everybody in Palm Hill that they need to watch Judge Milian.
They do.
Okay? And you
I've already talked to them. They
I'm
do.
huge in the keys. You let them know that they can see today what happened. You give them the air date and you have them all tune in, all right?
Okay. Yes,
so what you would owe her, you agree with me, it's an $1,100 sale minus $100 for your troubles, minus $150 in flat betting it back and forth. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. That means that I am entering a judgment in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $850. Good luck, folks.
Thank you.
Well, that was interesting. So the golf cart guy's out here. Come on in here, the defendant. What do you think of that? She got what she got out of this case?
I'm just glad I got it over with, but you know, I got to quit being Mr. Nice Guy. I have done this before. It's never caused me any trouble like this. But
She looks like such a nice person.
No, especially on the telephone.
Give me one quick idea.
She's very, very rude on the telephone.
Okay. All right. Head right around the corner there. Okay. See you later. All right. Come on in here. Is that true about you?
No, sir. He would not answer any of my calls. I've got records. I've got all my phone bills. He only answered 2 calls out of 17 calls.
You glad about the verdict here?
Yes. Mm-hmm. But still, yet, all he had done was say, hey, I'm going to charge you so much a month. And
This guy seems like he went out of his way to accommodate you.
No,
What else could he do?
Really.
That's what it seems like.
Not really.
Really?
No.
Harvey?
Okay, the bottom line is it's not the defendant's problem. Unless the golf cart is defective or the contract otherwise provides for it, the buyer is stuck. It is the buyer's problem.